In this video, let me show you how to recover Archero 2 account. Technically, you can't recover the Archero 2 account that you just deleted, but there's still a chance to recover, and the safest method is contacting customer support. First, go to Settings, then tap Support under the Feedback section. Here, you can explain your request to recover your account. Next, include your player ID. This is important to never forget your player ID. It's their way back to track your account. Also, enter your email and any verification details. And once you've written your request, hit submit. Check your email for updates, and if approved, your account will be recovered. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.